Welcome, everyone. Today, we will explore into the concept of the data gravity, understanding its implementation of Kubernetes environments, and the discussing efficiency and stability of the managing large scale of data injections and minimum latencies. So, myself, Arya Soni, I'm a DevOps engineer in the last 3 years as gaming industry and the healthcare industry. I'm a tech and entrepreneur building the SaaS-based applications right now. So, what is data gravity? Data gravity is referred to the occupancy there where we have a data accumulate. It's enhancing the more applications and the services result in the containerized. This containerized can be lead to increase the latency and the challenges in the data mobility, make it crucial to the addressing the disturbance of system that we have Kubernetes. As the data accumulating in the attaching the applications and services leading to the centralizing the increasing the latency. The data accumulated is basically the centralized latency is improvement and impactful their applications. The challenge in the Kubernetes during the data latency is basically the data latency is the lead to the higher latency and the increasing the data transferring cost is the Kubernetes clusters. In the Kubernetes clusters, the Kubernetes environment, the data gravity can be significant impact performance. It can be cause the increase the latency and it's raise the data transferring cost. There changes scalability and the efficiency. The demand damaging the efficiency and the reducing the state. For the data ingestion efficiency, basically, to reduce the data gravity optimization, data injection in the pipeline in ensuring the technologies such as the parallel processing and the containerized have been showing to cut the data processing times and suitability, leading the more efficiency and the scalability and the data handling in the Kubernetes clusters. So reducing the latency and the edge computations. The processing the data edge computation and reducing the latency and reduces the bandwidth of the usage. Edge computation is basically involved to the processing the data closer to the source, which can be significantly reduce the latency and decrease the bandwidth as by integrations the edge cases of the Kubernetes organization can be enhance the performance and the source of basically the data gravity. Improve the networking performance, basically. Utilization is advanced CNI and the service mesh as can be enhanced the data transferring rates and reducing the latency. Advanced networking reducing the including the container CNI and like service mesh can be improve the data transferring rates and reducing the latency. Their tools help the majorly complex networking communications and enhancing the performance and in Kubernetes environment. Storage challenges are source solutions, basically the implementing the presence of volume and CSI-driven. CSI drives improve the storage and scalability and the reducing latency. Storage challenges in the Kubernetes, such as the enhancing the data scalability and stability, can be addressed by using PV volumes and CSI storage for driven. Their solution enhancing the storage implementation, leading the reducing the latency and the improvement and enhancing the performance in the Kubernetes environment. There is some case study. Sorry. strategy of a comprehensive strategy. For the security data, basically, the implementation RBCA and networking policy and reducing the security, enhancing the significantly. Enhancing the data security is like major risk for the associated with the data gravity. Implementing the CBCA, basically the rollback access controller, define the structured networking policy have been showing to reduce the security, introducing, enhancing the data injections and the complexities. Comprehensive strategies. The comprehensive strategy optimize the enhance computation and the network solution, its data gravity efficiency and the scalability. In it's combined the storage optimization, enhanced computing, and the advanced networking solution is migrate the efficiency as the data gravity significant, leading the enhanced the performance and scalability in the Kubernetes environment. What the strategy implementation? The strategy implementation is we can reduce the optimization of the cost, implementation of the latency, and enhance the scalability, leading overall the performance of the Kubernetes environment and enhance the performance, rate of the cost, basically. Yeah, thank you so much for that's all.